cryptocurrency, alternative coins. Today we're going to be talking about Awesome Miner and CPU mining. I just saw, I think it was yesterday or the day before, that Awesome Miner has updated their CPU miner. So today I'm going to show you how to set it up, because it is definitely working now on way more computers. I mean, it always just immediately crashed for me. So what you're going to do is you're going to go down to Profit Profiles. You can see here I have already done this once and twice, one for myself and one for another video that I forgot to turn on my mic. So I'm going to remove that one, and then we'll click Add. Type in the description, CPU miner, and then if you look at the ends of all of these, they all say GPU, 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 all the way down except for the last one, which says CPU. You're going to click check mark on that. If you click on configure, you'll see there's some additional parameters that you could put in. I don't know what to do with them. I leave them alone. It works just fine without doing anything there, so don't mess with that. These are all the different algorithms as far as it goes that it can try to run. I'm going to tell you right now, it's only going to run Kryptonite worth of crap. All the other ones are not worth running, but you can definitely benchmark it and put in your own custom hash rates for all of it, and if it's profitable, it'll switch to them. But for me, it's only profitable for Kryptonite. I'm running an i5 2500K, so other than that, you don't have to change anything else here. We're all good. Click OK, and then you can see there's the new CPU miner. And we'll click OK here, and we'll go to new miner. Click next. External miner is what you want to use if you're running a different mining program than what Awesome Miner uses. You can have Awesome Miner manage that program. You can go to Manage Miner, which will only mine a single algorithm, or you can go to Manage Profit Miner, which will mine multiple algorithms, whatever is most profitable at the time. Or you can do Network Scan, which will scan your network for all of the computers that are currently mining and manage all of the software for each one of the different computers. But for today, we're going to do Manage Profit Miner. So click Next. Change this to CPU miner, and then you click down here, and since we just added a new profit switching profile called CPU miner, we'll click on that one rather than AMD or GPU. We want the CPU miner, so click next and finish, and then you see my CPU miner has been placed here. If I click the start button right now, it's going to do goofy stuff. It's going to start mining Gastral, and you'll see in just a second that the Gastral, I'm only making 7 cents a day mining Gastral, so that's not going to cut, that's just barely paying for the electricity costs. So we'll stop that, and then if we go to Tools, we can go to Benchmark, and you can fill in all of these check marks and do the fast benchmark. You'll find that it's only going to mine Kryptonite. Well, at least as far as I know. I don't know of any CPUs that mine any other software worth a darn, but more than likely you're just going to do Kryptonite. And so for the time being, I'm just going to do this fast benchmark so you can see how quick the benchmark is. Click Start, and it'll start running. Alright, it's done. We'll click Save Profile. Yes. So now it'll have a custom amount for my Kryptonite in the list of algorithms that it's allowed to run. If we go back to Options, and we go to Profit Profiles, CPU Miner, Edit, you can see that there's a custom hash rate here now instead of the standard. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to turn off all of the other algorithms for the time being, because I just want to show you guys what the hash rate is and what kind of profitability I'm getting. It's pretty similar to what I was getting off of Nice Hash or Better Hash or any of the other miners. I'm pretty pleased with it. It's an extra 30 cents for me on average. So we'll click OK here, and that's all set. Click OK, and we should be able to start mining. Ha ha ha. For some reason it's not working. That's not what I expected. I just did this 2 seconds ago and it worked out just fine. Alright. Options. Algorithms. Profit profiles. CPU miner. Kryptonite. Everything should be fine. The other thing you guys are going to want to do is make sure that you have your mining pool set up, but I have mine set up to just go to miningpool.hub. You shouldn't have to change this. You just as long as you've already been doing mining with Awesome Miner. If you haven't been doing mining with Awesome Miner, I don't recommend any of the other pools. Z-Pool seemed to be cheating me. Hash Refiner seemed to be cheating me. I was getting a tenth of what I should be getting. Miningpool.hub is the only one that seems to report similar to what it's actually doing. So as far as it goes, you wanted to just go to miningpool.hub, make an account there, put in your account, your name of your worker, and you'll be good to go. Let's see if that weirdness has gone away now. Occasionally I've noticed that sometimes it just doesn't want to connect to things. Huh. How very strange. Let's just stop that. I'm going to just remove that miner, and I'll do it all over again. New miner. Next. Manage profit. Next. CPU miner. Oh, I might not have done that. That's probably what it was. CPU miner. Next. Finish. And we should be able to go to properties. And it is on the new one, not on the old one. Click OK. Oh, that's probably what I should check before. I'm positive that's what I messed up on. Let's click start. No, it isn't. What the frick? Properties. Click OK. This is the one I've been mining to for 2 days. And magically it works. How ridiculous is that? Oh, but then it doesn't work. Stop. Properties. Let's just go back to this one. Well, that is a bit baffling. Remove. Yes. Options. Profit profiles. Add. EX. CPU. Click. I already know that I only want to mine Kryptonite. They really need to put in a check mark to select them all and deselect them all. These little boxes are kind of a bitch to hit. If you don't hit it exactly in the middle box, you're not going to uncheck it. Click OK. Click OK. New miner. Next. next. CPU, EX CPU, next, finish, start, work. Boom. Why did it work that time? I don't know. But if it gives you some trouble, that's all you have to do is just redo it a couple times. I didn't do anything special. And as you can see over here, I'm mining about 27 cents a day, or $8 a month. Not a crazy amount of extra money, but it's supplemental. And you guys can see, for me, it's about 5% more money. I mean, yeah, it's up to you guys if 5% is worth it or not. Well, let's see here. I think that should pretty much do it for the video. I'd like to see my hash rate get back to normal. I should be getting about 42 mega hashes with my two 970s. That's more better, 40. And that brings me up to my $5.65 or $6 a day between the two of them. So, like the video if you liked it, subscribe. I'll be bringing you videos like this a couple times a week, and hopefully we all can make some money. Thanks for watching. Have a great day. Merry Christmas also.